What's good, family? It is your girl Jaliyla, and we are back for another video. Y'all, this video gave me some trouble, like for real though. But anyways, I'm going to be showing you how I got this look, and I show you two different lips. And this is my go-to look when I'm in a rush, but I still want to be glam. I'm going to show you a new lip, and then I'm going to show you how I do or this look with the red lip. And honestly, you compare this look with any color lip because it is so neutral, so versatile. But let's get into the video. So I'm using my Morphe 350 palette. I've already did my brows off camera and I primed my eyelid with my LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Pure Beige. And I'm just going to show you what colors I'm using here, and then I'm just using windshield wiper motions. The brush that I'm using to apply all of these colors is a MAC 224, and I'm using the same brush for each color. And honestly, guys, like the blend is so simple. This color that I'm putting on my lid, I'm just packing that all over the lid, and I'm using an e.l.f. eyeshadow brush, just the $1 brush. And then I'm going to go back in with that blending brush from before and blend everything together. And to deepen up my crease, I'm going to use that dark brown and just concentrate the color on the outer V. And literally, like, that's it. I decided to highlight my brow bone, which is not what I usually do, but I wanted to do it today, so I'm just using that. So now I'm going in with my LA Girl Pro Cover foundation, and I actually really have been liking this foundation to use when I want to wear foundation, but I don't want to wear any of my expensive foundation, you know, girl. So on the weekends, work, yeah, I've been reaching for it, and I'm just applying that, and then I'm gonna apply my LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Pure Beige again under the eyes, on the bridge of my nose, a little bit on that 5 head, a little bit on the top of my lip, and I think I put some on my chin as well. And then I'm gonna use like a flat foundation brush to blend all of that out because I'm kind of tired of those like sponges. Yeah, to be real, like I'm tired of them. So I'm going to blend that out, and then, okay, let me slow down. So I'm blending it out here, and after I blend it out, I'm going to use my Laura Mercier setting powder and my MAC Mineralize Skinfinish to set my face. And I'm going to use the Laura Mercier powder under the eyes and everywhere else that I highlighted with the concealer, which I'm still doing here. Um, and then I'm also going to apply the Laura Mercier powder onto places of my face that have a lot of blemishes. Not blemishes, oh my god, that have a lot of pores or larger pores. And then I'm applying it in my smile lines as well. And then after I've applied that powder, I'm going to set my face with my MAC Mineralize Skin Finish and a big fluffy brush, and I'm going to dust off the rest of that translucent Laura Mercier powder, as you guys can see here. And so I don't have my CoverGirl Queen ebony bronzer in this room, so I used this one from NYX. I don't really know what color this is because I kind of move all my colors around. It did the job. It's not my favorite. I have not used it before for this, but I also use it to contour my nose. Will I do it again? Probably not. And then I'm going to go in for blush. I'm using my, or let me come back. So I'm going to blend out the nose contour, and then for blush I'm using MAC's Gingerly, which is a really natural blush on my skin tone. And then after that I'm applying some Fix Plus, and then I'm gonna go into that NYX palette again and use this like champagne. It kind of looks champagne to me, but girl, it's showing up silver. And then like it looks okay here while I'm watching it making the voiceover, but it was just not blended, and I just really didn't like it with the brush. I tried different brushes, I just didn't like it. So I'm gonna go back in and use my Master Chrome Molten Golden or Golden Molten, and I'm just trying to blend that out with this 217 blender brush, and I'm applying it over, and I go back and forth between the fan brush and the 217 to apply that golden color onto my cheeks so I don't look so silver and stark. And then I'm also going to apply the Master Chrome highlight down the bridge of my nose and on my Cupid's bow as well. But I also go in back with that blush brush with no extra blush on it, and I'm just blending everything together. For a little highlight in the inner tear duct, I'm using that Master Chrome in the inner tear duct, and then like I said, down the bridge of my nose and on my Cupid's bow. So y'all know I have really deep tear troughs, so to camouflage that, I'm putting more powder, and I'm gonna go in and load the mascara up, baby. Okay, I'm not using any falsies today, so what I like to do is use multiple mascaras and let one coat dry and then add another coat. I add about like 2 to 3 coats. So now I'm moisturizing my lips with my chapstick, and then I'm going to apply my lip liner, which is chestnut, or is that chestnut? Which is Mahogany from NYX, and then I'm using Patrick Star and MAC lipstick MamaStarrr. I'm going to dust all that powder away. And then I want to bring you guys a little closer because I'm going to go back and put more mascara on. But I kind of wanted you to see like what my lashes look like. No falsies, just loaded up on mascara. So this is what we're looking like with the nude lipstick, and I'm going to show you guys with the red lipstick. So I am using my Rimmel London lip liner, and the color here is Red Diva. I love this. It's like my favorite red lip liner, and I think it's because of the shape. And then I'm going to be using Patrick Wu. Oh my god, I love this color, and I was comparing it in my room to Riri Wu and the original Ruby Wu, and it's just so much smoother. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye!